Today, we are thrilled to have Saksha, a recent top scorer in Pearson Test of English. Saksham, congratulations on your achievement and thank you for joining us today.
Yes, Ola. Thank you so much for having me. It's great to be here and share my experience.
Let's dive right in. As you know, PT is known for its unique format and comprehensive assessment. Can you walk us through your initial thought when you decided to take the PT and how you began your preparation?
Absolutely. When I first decided to take the PTE, I knew it was going to be a challenge because it tests speaking, writing, reading, and listening skills quite extensively. I started by familiarizing myself with the format of the test, understanding the years of questions, and then I laid out a structured preparation plan that included a lot of practice tests.
That's really a very solid approach. In terms of preparation material, what resources did you find most helpful in your PTE preparation?
Well, I mainly used the official PTE practice materials and an online course that was highly recommended by previous high scorers. The practice tests were particularly because they mimicked the actual test environment, which helped me to manage my time better and become comfortable with the format.
Time management is indeed crucial. Speaking of which, how did you balance your preparation with other commitments like studies or day to day work?
It was challenging at times, but I made a strict schedule and stuck to it. I dedicated specific hours each day of PTE preparation, ensuring that I cover all sections of the test equally. On weekends, I would take a full length practice test and assess my progress and identify areas that I needed to improve.
Oh, that's great. Moving on the test day, how did you manage stress and stay focused during the exam?
Yes, I won't lie, it was nerve cracking, but I made sure to get a good night's sleep before the test and had a healthy breakfast on the day. During the test, I took deep breaths and kept reminding myself that I was well prepared. Time management strategies that I had practiced also helped me to keep the stress at bay.
Now, looking back, what advice would you give to future PT test takers to achieve a top score?
My top advice would be to practice as much as possible, especially with the speaking and writing sections, as they can be quite challenging. Also, learn to manage your time effectively during the test. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of the positive mindset and confidence on the test day.
Well done, Saksham. Your insights are sure to inspire and guide many. Thank you for sharing your journey and strategies with us. Any final thoughts would like to share?
Just that if I could do it, so can you. Stay focused, work hard, and don't hesitate to reach out for support when you need it. Good luck to everyone who is preparing for the PTE.
Thank you, Saksham, for your time and congratulations once again on your achievement. To our audience, we hope this interview helps you in your PT preparation. Stay tuned and more insights and strategies from achievers like Saksham